Dear friends, dear partners, let's forget 2020. For sure, we will continue to do great things together. I would like to thank you for your confidence in this very difficult time. More than ever, keep safe. I wish you and your family all the best for 21. Happy New Year!
We will be here for you in 2021, by your side always, to ensure that passengers all around the world enjoy their travel in the best possible conditions.
After a year like 2020, we really would like to wish you a very happy new year. On behalf of our colleagues across the globe, I would like to wish you the best for 2021.
All the best for 2021.
All the best for 2021.
Buon anni!